Hodge the Hungry Hunter here. For many families, scouting is a very important part of their lives. It is for my family as well. My son just got his Eagle Scout and I'm very proud of him. I've been involved with scouting for many years now. Today we're out here at Camp Rota Kiwan in southwest Michigan. We're helping out with their Cub Scout Fun Day, where families come together with their young scouts and they're going to go ahead and have all sorts of great fun activities to do. I get to teach the Cub Scout cooking for them today. We'll be making pigs in a blanket and a trail mix for them. Why don't you guys come help me along? Today we're going to be cooking on the Coleman portable grill. Bought this a while back. Comes with wheels, handle, really nice. Let's get cooking. So today we're going to start off by teaching the kids to make a trail mix. We've bought up a bunch of different ingredients. We've separated out the ones with nuts along with the stuff that does not have nuts, just in case we have some allergies that we need to be aware of. We've got some sandwich bags that they'll go ahead and put the stuff into, and let's take a look and see what our ingredients are. So we start off over here. We've got raisins for the kids to put in. Got mini M&Ms, so they got the a little bit of sugar in there as well for them, and we've got dried cranberries, so cran raisins. We've got our box of Ziploc bags, sandwich bags. We've got granola cereal with dried strawberries, and I believe that there may be almonds in there. That's why I've got this separated from the non-nut stuff. And we have honey roasted peanuts. So the kids will come through the line, go ahead and fill up a bag, and that will be their initial snack. Now let's go and look to see what else we have. Okay, for our pigs in a blanket, we're going to need some hot dogs, some buttermilk biscuits, and some Reynolds wrap, and a grill. We got the grill warmed up. Now we're just waiting for the kids. Okay guys, so we are here for Cub Scout cooking. I'm going to be cooking up a couple different things. I'm Dave Hodgkins, and all my friends call me Hodge. So, hi everybody.
Hi Hodge.
Awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to start with, you guys know the edge method? Yeah, okay, so edge, explain, demonstrate, guide, and enable. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to explain to you guys what we're going to be doing. We're going to start off with cooking pigs in a blanket. So to do that, when we make pigs in a blanket, this is really easy and it's great to do out when you're out camping. Get some aluminum foil here. Each one of you guys is going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys, in just a minute, I'll give everybody some aluminum foil. We're going to, let's open up the hot dogs first here.
I have a full-sized Swiss Army knife.
Do you?
Yeah.
They come in, Swiss Army knives come in a lot of different sizes. I've got some that are really big and I've got ones that are really tiny. You notice I maintained that safety circle, right? I backed up before I opened it up. So I washed my hands before I came out here. Did you guys wash your hands? Yeah, okay.
I went to the bathroom, so I'm waiting for the...
Okay, just want to make sure that you stipulate on that, that you did wash it. You've been in gloves all day?
Yeah.
So we're just going to use, and you can use any type of buttermilk biscuit. Oh, that went pop, didn't it? We're just using a buttermilk biscuit here. Deal.
Whoa!
Yeah, check that out. Actually, I'm going to use this one here as like a table. This one. Lay this right out there.
That's cool.
Then we're going to take another piece of aluminum foil. So we're going to cook it off. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these buttermilk biscuits here. Lay them out here.
There's a ton.
5.
How much? How many do you need?
Well, they come 8 in a package, and since we have How many people we got here?
1, 2, 3,
Five.
5.
So we got plenty then. We won't even get into that package there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a hot dog out of the package here. You're gonna take one of these biscuits and wrap it up in it. You're gonna have to smooth it out some here. Get it all wrapped up inside of it. Okay. You're gonna roll it over. Kind of pinch it up on the sides there. This here. Just gonna get it all nice and covered. Make it nice and warm. Once we got it all wrapped up like this here, we're then going to take it and put it into aluminum foil.
So we're all gonna do it.
You're all going to do this, yes. Do you think I'm going to cook your hot dog for you? No way, you guys are scouts. You guys should be able to do this.
So we're gonna do our own.
Yep, and we're going to put it about that far. We don't need to wrap the whole thing along. Okay, about that far. I'm going to rip the tin foil. And another piece that can be used. Okay, we don't want to just throw it away because the Scout is thrifty. Now, when you get that,
Are we gonna take turns?
no, we're going to go right down the line here.
Oh.
Okay? Now, once you get it rolled up like this here, you're just going to pinch the ends in. Like this here. Okay? And then we're going to take them, we're going to put them on the grill over there.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start up a line over on this side here. Come right around here. And, okay, so what you'll do is take a hot dog from there.
Okay. So now I have an EpiPen.
Now,
Benadryl, just in case.
take one of those, yep, and just
Never used it.
mush
but
it right on down in there.
Probably not a bad idea.
And just do your best to get it. You're going to have to make it longer to cover through the hot dog
I think it sucks to say
and wrap it around the hot
They have a
dog.
shelf life of a year. So every year you have to go in
Can we
there.
do
We've
it how
never
we
used one ever.
want?
You sure
You
can.
just have to throw it out and get a new one.
Let's get some more foil here.
It doesn't. The next market they have, no, they're not. Yeah, sure, it's probably what's good. Yeah. Well, they got ridiculous and then Congress got this off. Because there's only one manufacturer.
We have here.
So then you got to pay like $500 a piece. And Congress was like, I'm not. That's like monopoly.
There you go.
So then they started giving one free.
And you're going to put it in the aluminum foil.
No, wait.
Yep,
Yeah,
yep,
oh,
right.
yeah,
Actually,
I'll put this.
put close to that in and then roll it up in the aluminum foil. Yep. There you go. There you go. And then just squeeze the ends in. Excellent. Okay. And set them right here. Yep, that'll work. And then what happens is that cooks up. So just like a roll, when you get a roll, when you get a hot dog and you put it in the hot dog bun, this is going to create that hot dog bun right there. There you go. Okay, go ahead and grab a hot dog. Actually, here, why don't you hold on to yours here. There you go. Okay. And then, yep, grab one of those. Dads, I have a few extra if you're interested.
Hey, Dad, can I help you?
Yeah, Dads, come in and help. This is all about family here. Cub Scouting is a family activity. We need dads involved. Okay, and then when you get your, go ahead and bring your hot dogs over here. Yeah, very carefully. I'm going to lift this up. This is going to be hot. And one at a time, I'm going to have you put your hot dogs on here, okay? Well, I've got tongs, but right now they're cold. Okay, so, okay, excellent. Okay, we're going to start with this here. These are going to cook about 15 minutes. And we're going to have you guys get started up in just a second as well. Okay.
All right.
So, now stay away from the heat here. Why don't you guys come line up over here as well?
Go ahead,
We're going to make some trail mix. Now you'll notice the trail mix is kind of split up. Okay, I've got the nuts over on this side, so there are peanuts there. This I think has almond in it, so I want to keep that separate as well because some people have allergies. And when you're cooking for people, you need to make sure that you're keeping things that people could be allergic to away from things that nobody's allergic to. So over here we've got raisins, little M&Ms, and anybody else? You guys already know. You guys know what this
Cranberries.
is? Cranberries, dried cranberries,
them.
absolutely. Right, do I have my safety circle? Am I far enough away to open up my pocket knife? Nobody's within reach? Yep. Okay, so that's my safety circle. Just open up my
Yes.
hot dogs. Put it away. Okay, so what you're going to do, and we're going to start off by pulling out some aluminum foil here. Yeah. Got this right here. Actually, I'm only going to use half of it. Okay. So I'm going to take one hot dog, come around this way here, you guys. Come around this way.
Us guys?
Yep, you four. Come around this way. The other guys have already done it. They've got theirs already on there.
They're waiting to make
We're right now cooking.
Exactly. Okay, so now
We're cooking up.
go ahead and grab a hot dog. Yep, reach right in there, grab a hot dog.
Do you want them to do the foil part themselves?
Yep,
Okay.
yep.
I was sitting right.
We'll pull out the foil. Okay, now grab up one of those. Yep, put the hot dog in it. Stretch it along the length of the hot dog.
That's so weird.
And wrap it around. Pinch it all together. Might want to stretch it a little bit longer along the length there. Try and get it even. And moms and dads, jump in, help. This is a family activity. This is not.
I know that.
Yeah.
No, I gotta focus
I
on
think we're gonna
Yeah.
post that link.
What? I just did it.
You got them all? Fine. I'm gonna make like a little thing in the middle so I know it's mine.
Yep, exactly. Okay. Let's do a quick cleanup here.
Show me your pigs in the morning. Dad.
Now it's time to make some trail mix. Okay.
Nailed it. Whoa.
So,
Yes.
as I said, we've got it set up. We've got the non. May I have your attention, please? Thank you.
have your attention.
We've got the non-nut stuff without any nuts, over on this side. Over here, we have some cereal mix that it's got some dried strawberries in it and granola and some other stuff. It may have some almond extract in it. Some people are very allergic to almond, like my wife. So we keep that separated from that. And same thing with the peanuts. So we've got honey roasted peanuts over here. But we have people that are allergic to peanuts, so we keep that over there. We want to avoid what's called cross-contamination. Everybody say cross-contamination. Cross-contamination. Cross-contamination is bad. Yes.
I was gonna say I know what that means.
You know what that means. That's
I'm
right.
supposed to.
You're supposed to. That's right. So all of you guys should know what this means. So we're going to start actually at this end here. You grab a bag, use a spoon, okay, and you're going to take about a spoonful of each as you go down the line. And if you don't want something, don't worry about it. So we've got raisins, mini M&Ms, dried cranberries, granola with strawberries, dried strawberries, and honey roasted peanuts.
I need some.
Move from right to left.
If you
Who
didn't,
took the spoon for that? Yeah, who took the spoon for that?
oh dear. Somebody's got a spoon in their hand. Three people got spoons in their hands. I see a spoon for every bowl. You're okay. What are you trying to do?
Get that big strawberry.
Okay, and then as we unwrap it, this is what you end up getting. Pigs in a blanket. Some of them look better than others. They cook a little bit longer. Okay, did you try it? Is it okay? Is it edible? Would you do it again out at camp? Yeah, awesome, excellent. How about you? Want to try it? Give it a try? No?
These are good.
Was it good? Thumbs up? Excellent. You guys having a good time out at camp here?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, we'll see ya. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Thanks again for joining us out here at Camp Rota Kiwan for their Cub Scout weekend. The kids had a great time. I think all the parents did as well. If you're interested in what scouting can do for you and your family, why don't you go ahead and contact your local scouting organization and they'll get you hooked up. In the meantime, if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button down below. And if you want to see more of these type of videos, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. You'll be notified when I have other videos going out. For now, I'm Hodge the Hungry Hunter, out here for Cub Scout cooking. We'll see you. That was a good time. Let's go.